Dear kids, in this video, we will learn the family of alphabet F. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
F.
F.
Fish.
Fish. Fish are a kind of animal that lives in water. Fish are aquatic animals. They have gills and fins.
F.
F.
Frog.
Frog. Frogs are small animals that can jump very well. Frog has smooth skin and long legs. It can live on land and in water.
F.
F.
Flower.
Flower. Flower is a part of a plant that blossoms. Flowers get their food from sunlight, water, and minerals in soil.
F.
F.
Fan.
Fan. Fans circulate air to cool and ventilate rooms and to control humidity.
F.
F.
Fox.
Fox. Foxes are mammals that look like small, bushy-tailed dogs. Foxes have pointed ears, short legs, and a narrow snout.
F.
F.
Fruit.
Fruit. A fruit is a part of a flowering plant that contains the seeds. The skin of a fruit may be thin, tough, or hard. Its insides are sweet and juicy.
F.
F.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Flamingos are birds. They are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped neck.
Dear kids, let's learn and practice how to write and trace alphabet letter E.
Okay, let's start. Like and subscribe ABC TV channel.